Have you ever opened an English book, watched an English video, or listened to someone speaking English and thought, I understand nothing? Maybe you know a few words like hello, thank you, or goodbye. But when people start speaking, everything sounds too fast. Maybe you want to speak English, but you feel afraid. You think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? If you feel this way, you are not alone. Every person who speaks English today was once a beginner. The difference is simple. They did not stop. Today, we are going to start from zero. You do not need to know English before this lesson. You do not need a big dictionary. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need to listen, repeat, and practice with me. One more thing. Do not just watch this lesson. Speak with me. Repeat every sentence. Answer every question. Even if nobody is with you, speak out loud. Your mouth needs practice just as much as your brain. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first thing you need to understand is this. English is not about learning thousands of words. It is about learning the right words first. Think about a child. A child does not learn difficult words first. A child learns simple words. Mom, dad, water, milk, eat, sleep. Little by little, the child learns more. You will learn English the same way. Let's start with the most important words in English. Repeat after me. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Excellent. These words are very important because every sentence starts with one of them. Now let's use them. I am a student. You are my friend. He is happy. She is kind. It is a cat. We are learning English. They are busy. Fantastic! You have already made 7 English sentences. Now, let's learn one of the most important verbs in English. The verb to be. Repeat with me. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. Now let's build more sentences. I am happy. I am tired. I am ready. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Now let's learn how to introduce yourself. This is one of the first things you should know in English. Listen carefully. Hi, my name is Sufi. What is your name? Nice to meet you. I am from the USA. I live in New York City. I am a student. I am learning English. Very good. Speaking is the fastest way to improve. Do not wait until your English is perfect. Perfect English comes after speaking, not before. Now let's learn some useful sentences. This is my book. This is my phone. The door is open. The window is closed. The chair is blue. The table is clean. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I walk to school. I read a book. I write every day. I listen to music. I speak English. I study at night. I work every morning. I watch YouTube. Repeat every sentence. Now it's your turn. Complete this sentence. I like to... Maybe you say, I like to read. I like to cook. I like to study. I like to play football.
Excellent. Now, let's learn how to make simple sentences about family. I have one brother. My mother is kind. My father works hard. I love my family. Now, try to answer these questions. How many days are in 1 week? 7. How many months are in 1 year? 12. Excellent. You are already thinking in English. That is important. Now, let's do a listening challenge. Do not repeat, just listen. I have a blue book. What color is the book? Blue. Great job. Listening is not about understanding every word. It is about understanding the main idea. Now let's practice speaking again. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Please. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. See you later. Have a nice day. These are small sentences, but they are very useful. You will hear them almost every day. Now, let me give you a simple plan to improve every day. Spend 5 minutes listening to English. Spend 5 minutes speaking out loud. Spend 5 minutes reading something easy. Spend 5 minutes writing 5 simple sentences. That is only 20 minutes a day. You do not need to study for hours. You only need to practice every day. Remember, learning English is like learning to ride a bicycle. Reading about it is not enough. Watching videos is not enough. You have to practice. Some days you will make mistakes. That is normal. Some days you will forget words. That is normal too. Do not stop. Every mistake teaches you something. Every sentence you speak makes you stronger. One day you will understand a movie without subtitles. One day you will talk to someone in English without feeling nervous. One day you will look back and smile because the English that once felt impossible has become part of your daily life. Before you leave, I have one small challenge for you. Write 10 sentences about yourself today. Read them out loud 3 times. Tomorrow, write 10 new sentences. Do this every day for the next 30 days. When you finish the 30 days, come back and watch this lesson again. You will be surprised by how much easier it feels. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep practicing. Most importantly, never be afraid to make mistakes. Every fluent English speaker started with one simple word. Today, you started your journey too, and this is only the beginning. I'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll continue building your English one simple step at a time. Subscribe for more lessons.